Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give value in pounds or pound, and then our program will convert the given value in pounds in kilograms in C++. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, subscribers to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So basically I'm using dev C++ in writing and running this program. The code will work on code blocks also. So we have here two library files. Line number 1 will be sharp include IOStream. It is for input output on every C++ program. And then line number 2, we have here IO manip, input output manipulator for decimal places. We want to display 2 decimal places only on the right. And then line number 5, it is a main function. So the main function is only function in C++ that is being executed by our compiler when we run our program and also during our termination of our program. Line number 6, it is a begin. Line number 7, I have here two variables declaration which has a data type of float, kilogram and pound, that I initialize with value 0. So when we say float, if we are new with computer programming, it refers to data type that can accept numerical values that has a decimal value, like for example 5.56, 7.10. And then we have here the title of our program, pounds to kilograms in C++, std out, to new line here, to new line here for formatting purposes. In line number 12 and 13, we are asking the user to enter pound value that will be stored in our cn, stdcn pound. And then the conversion takes place here in line number 14. Kilogram equals pound, asterisk 0.4.54. And then new line here, std out to new line. Line number 16 will display the result. Console alt, \t, horizontal tab, fix. We want 2 decimal places only, fix. Set precision to 2 decimal places, pounds. And then pound kilogram here, the conversion result which we call here with our assignment statement kilogram. New line in line number 18, std out, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. Line number 20, new line, and then we close now. Line number 21. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this program in my 2 websites. Okay, let us compile and run to see the result. Okay, so pounds to kilograms in C++, enter pound value. Let's say we have 1. So 1 pound is equal to 0.45 kilograms. And the program, another example, let's say 4.5 equals 2.04 kilograms. And the program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on pounds to kilograms in C++ programming language. I hope that you have learned it in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, please support my channel guys. If you are new, be clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.